What's up guys, my name is Andrew of Audular. I'm bringing you guys a new video. In this video I'm going to be going over some loops and drum samples from the Function Loops Future Pop Drums kit. The kit is available over at Audular.com. I will also put the link to it in the description down below. All of these samples right in this little channel rack that I got are actually from the drum kit as well. I figured I would go through, play some samples, and let you guys hear it. And also, any of the background music that you will be hearing in this video were from beats and songs that I used this drum kit in. So I really do think this is a great kit, especially if you're going for that future pop sound and going for that pop sound in general. So I'm gonna just jump into the first kit bundle. Let's flip through some of these loops. So I'm personally a big fan of a lot of these drum samples, as I said earlier. I mean, I don't normally use the loops, but the loops can be very beneficial for those that are still trying to get the hang of making nice sounding drum patterns in their channel rack, or if you just want to speed up the process and make your song just a little bit faster or make your beat faster. Using a loop is a quick way of just getting the drums right on there and getting everything done. Now, they also include all the one-shots that's available in all of the loops. Let's go in here. So as you can see, there's a ton of different samples. So I'll put the link to the drum kit down below. This is Andrew of Audular, and I'll see you guys later.